lyricism like the spirits in them been gifted by God. Got them silent in awe, more beautiful than the angels recital of psalms. Fallacy, the G, the conviction of Saul in the strokes of my ink. The cosmos realign when I begin to speak. Bless the microphone, smack the fucking beat with my speech. Still they can't see I was born to do this, provide enlightenment to the foolish people, they clueless. New to the rap game, I'm here to murder. So if you're fake, shut your face, you should speak no further. Gourmet for the brain, they feeding them Gerber. Ignorance destroying the path of the humble learner. Most of my shit, I gotta water it down, cause the world is plagued by the influence of clowns. But I won't yield to the bullshit. Meaningless rap is something I'll never be cool with. Oh, you got stacks, bro, I couldn't give two shits. Your rhyme's more pussy than a man that won't father his 2 kids. You motherfuckers are stupid. Foundation of your career, supported by lies. And what the fuck you bragging about? Homie, you ain't that nice. My baby nephew can spit verses twice as tight. That ain't your life. So why the fuck would you say it? Cause your rhymes are just basic monkey bars made for kids to play with. When it comes to this rap shit, the genius ain't playing. Line 'em up and then slay 'em. No escaping the mayhem. Clever whenever I lay 'em. You bitches know you can't phase it. Man up and just face it, you'll never win. Like I'm God and you're Satan. I'm so close I could taste it. The truth embodied, embrace it. Like Dorman, I wait. Soon as they open that gate, I'm headed straight for first place. You better watch the throne or get out of my seat. Whatever's in my way, sure to get crushed beneath my feet. This ain't a game. Every bar from the heart, fuse my soul with these beats. I've been real since the start. They lines cheaper than the clearance rack in the back of Walmart. Mine fit for a king, you can call me the rap monarch. Open your ears and listen. Inspire the people, that's my everyday mission. We're all dead inside, I can see no vision. They got them stuck in a trance of petty materialism. As the clock stays ticking, the plot only thickens. How long will it take for you fools to pay attention? Better wake up before it's too late. Where is the love? It's like it's been consumed by the